Have you ever wondered why you may express different phenotypes from your parents or even siblings? Well, it's all about genes. I'm Callie Burns, and I'm here to explain genetic recombination. As you age, your cells go through different division processes in order for you to create new cells or replace dead ones so that you can grow. Your body cells, such as skin cells, go through a series of events known as mitosis. Mitosis consists of one cell division, resulting in two diploid cells, or two cells containing all 46 chromosomes. Your sex cells, on the other hand, go through a process known as meiosis. Meiosis results in 4 haploid cells, or 4 cells containing only 23 chromosomes. These cells become known as your gametes and are eventually used during reproduction. Today, we will be focusing on meiosis, but before we get started, we're going to need to learn some vocabulary. A chromosome is a long strand of deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA for short. A chromosome contains all of the genetic material for the makeup of an organism. Next, we need to understand what a gene is. A gene is a section of a chromosome that codes for specific traits. On homologous chromosomes, which have been obtained from your parents, there are homologous chromosomal sites. These are bands of chromosomes that code for the same gene. In the photo, homologous chromosomes obtained from each of your parents are shown. Each arrow depicts a different gene band. The two genes circled in blue represent homologous chromosomal sites that code for the same trait. Alleles are different forms of the gene. For example, the homologous trait may be having hair, and the allele codes for whether that hair is brown or blonde. Genetic recombination occurs during the process of meiosis. It results in a massive amount of genetic variation or differences in DNA among individuals of the same species. Meiosis starts out with one single sex cell containing all 46 chromosomes. 23 are from your mother and 23 are from your father. During prophase 1 of meiosis, maternal and paternal homologous chromosomes pair up. This process is known as the synapsis. The chromosomal pairs are attracted to each other, pair up, and get very, very close. Since the chromosomes are so close, parts of their homologous chromosomal sites overlap and cross over each other. With an insane amount of precision and accuracy, an enzyme known as ligase is able to cut each strand of DNA and recombine it to the opposite chromosome. After this process, the single sex cell goes through 2 different divisions. Finally, it results in 4 haploid sex cells containing only one chromatid from the original pair of homologous chromosomes.